How to install laminate floors. Here are the tools you're going to need to install laminate flooring. All the materials you'll need are floating laminate flooring and underlayment. You'll need 10% more square feet than the room size. Step 1. Remove the existing flooring and moldings, and make sure the floor is clean and smooth. Step 2. Install an underlayment, making sure that the top surface is installed as recommended by the manufacturer. Step 3. Measure the room prior to starting installation of your floor. Set the first plank in place on the starting line next to the wall, maintaining the expansion gap. The tongue of the plank has to be against the wall in the first row. Place the spacers between the floor and the walls after you lay the first row. Use cut planks at the start of every other row, making sure the joints are staggered properly. Begin laying planks working from the left to the right, inserting the tongue side into the groove side at an approximate 45-degree angle until the planks lock together. Press the board down until it locks in place. Complete the installation for the rest of the room. Use a pull bar and hammer to lock the last row in place. Measure, cut, and glue the baseboards and shoe molding to the walls as needed. Always read and refer to the manufacturer's instructions for your specific laminate floor. Find a variety of options at your local Floor & Decor or flooranddecor.com. Place the flooring materials in the installation room for at least 72 hours prior to installing them. They need to acclimate to the temperature and humidity ranges. The laminate planks have to be installed perpendicular to the joints of the floor to get better support. You always want to run the planks parallel to the longest wall in the room.